Hi friends, I am Sukan. My channel name is ERSK Blog. ERSK Blog is a free online electrical learning YouTube channel for everyone. This channel is made for ITI students, diploma students, and electrical and mechanical field students. Here you will be shared all the practical, technical, and theoretical knowledge of the field related to electricals and mechanical. This channel will share electricals and mechanicals. This channel will be shared electrical tips and tricks and electrical tutorials and more about electronics, electricals and electricity. Channel is dedicated to teaching and sharing of all latest information related to electricals, engineering as per the latest industrial trend. It is useful for all electrical, electronics, power, automation engineers. I hope that those of you want to understand and learn about electric and electronics and mechanical will subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe my channel. Be skillful, be successful. Thank you.